Welcome to yet another ViewSonic unboxing. My name is Ray, and today I have for you the new XG275D-4K. This is a special IPS gaming monitor with really cool dual mode functionality for 4K gaming and ultra-fast 1080p gaming. So let's get this open and show you what you get in the box. Inside the box, you're going to get everything you need to assemble the monitor and also all the connection types you can need in terms of cables. Importantly, we include an HDMI 2.1 cable in the box because this is an HDMI 2.1 certified monitor, and this allows for very, very high refresh rate as well as great high dynamic range colors, and that's included in the box. Additionally, we have a USB Type-C cable. This is rated for power delivery and works perfectly with the 65-watt power delivery that is built into this monitor. And last but not least, a display port, old trusted favorite for connecting to high-speed gaming desktops, and one that a lot of our customers will definitely be using. In addition, there's the power supply from the monitor, and I can show you how quick and easy it is to get it fully assembled and up and running in your setup. These two pieces here are the stand for the monitor. Very simply, you connect the upper and the lower piece, and then there is a thumb screw on the bottom, and finger tight is perfectly okay. Now that we have our stand assembled, we can start getting the monitor head itself out of the box. With the monitor laying face down, I'm now going to take our stand, put it right into the top of the monitor head, and you'll hear it click together, and now the monitor is fully assembled, ready to use. Now that we have the monitor fully assembled, let's talk a little bit about the specs on this panel. This is a 27-inch diagonal IPS monitor with support for native 4K 160Hz output, great for any kind of gaming you might want to do in high detail, lush worlds, vibrant RPGs. But if you're a more competitive gamer, we also offer you a secondary mode that runs this panel in 1080p mode, where 4 pixels are used as the single pixel, and it allows for a refresh rate increase all the way to 320 Hz. 15 times what you would see in a Hollywood production film, and 15 times what you're seeing in this video right now. With that incredibly high refresh rate, you would have minimal ghosting and very, very fast reaction times in even the most competitive modern gaming platforms, and we think you're really going to love the performance that you get out of this monitor. So let's make a setup with this and show you what you can really do with this monitor in your setup. Now we have the XG monitor in an almost ideal setup. Many of us are outfitted with a work laptop, and during the day, this 4K monitor with its really, really tight and fine pixel density makes for great productivity work on your laptop. Additionally, it's only connected with one USB-C connection, and that is providing 65 watts of charging power to this PC. When you're done working, and at the end of the day, you may want to connect your Pride and Joy gaming PC, and that can be connected to a different port on the monitor ready to go. You then want to press the button on the back of the monitor that switches it from that crisp 4K mode to that super fast 1080p mode, where you can enjoy a native 320 Hz refresh rate and hopefully win all your competitive battles. So this has just been a quick unboxing and overview of the XG275D-4K. To find out more information about this monitor and all ViewSonic monitors, please go to viewsonic.com. And please watch this space for more exciting videos from ViewSonic.